You open your eyes and find yourself completely lost inside a dense forest that has no name. The freezing air is perfectly still, and the towering trees around you stand frozen like silent statues. Suddenly, a low metallic rumble vibrates through the earth, shattering the absolute quiet of the night. An old vintage steam locomotive slowly emerges from the dark void, cutting through the heavy fog. The iron passenger door clicks open with a heavy thud, inviting you inside its warm cabin. The moment you step inside, the train violently accelerates forward into the deep darkness. You try to speak to the passenger sitting across the aisle, but their face constantly dissolves like gray smoke. Terrified, you run to the next carriage to look for help, but the next room is identical to the first one. Every threshold you cross simply loops you back into the exact same prison with no cockpit and no brakes. The constant swaying of the train makes your head spin as the air grows thick with the smell of old paper. You press your face against the cold window glass, only to realize that the train is flying through a cosmic void. You look down at the ticket clutched in your shaking hand, staring at a skull glowing with a yellow aura. This phantom machine never required money to board. It is slowly draining your remaining lifetime instead. Your frozen legs completely give up, and you collapse flat on the wooden floorboards in total exhaustion. The intense panic in your chest slowly dissolves, replaced by a strange and heavy numbness. A pale, deep-sea creature drifts smoothly through the solid wall and floats right over your limp arm. It completely ignores your existence because nature isn't fighting you. It is simply indifferent to your presence. Your dying mind suddenly gives you one last gift, releasing a warm flood of endorphins to take the pain away. The carriage lights flicker and die one by one, erasing your very last footprints from the waking world. As the train door clicks open for the next lost soul, how long will your hourglass run before turning to